The Golden Thread is software developed by Mspetree Consulting and is used by the National Association of Therapeutic Schools and Programs Research Network. Study participants complete surveys at admit, discharge, and twice after discharge. Sometimes participants attend more than one program and can be asked to complete the same surveys on the same day for 2 different programs. The Golden Thread makes life easier for participants by eliminating redundancies and only assigning needed surveys. If the post-discharge surveys from a prior program are due while the client is in another program, the Golden Thread simply assigns the survey directly in the current program system instead of relying on people to email links. This results in more data collection. The Golden Thread also links client data from multiple programs in the dataset so that researchers can track progress and learn more about how to help families in need. Have more questions? Feel free to contact us.